Hey folks, Goose Pond Monster here. It's Saturday, June 7th. I am on my way to one of the local creeks here, hoping to catch some smallmouth, see if they're done spawning. I think they were spawning earlier last month, started last month at some point, so I'm hoping that they're done now and able to maybe catch a few. I've got a new St. Croix Mojo bass rod with a Fluker President reel that I set up for my smallmouth creek adventures, and this will be the first time I've headed out fishing, so hoping to maybe catch a couple nice ones. My buddy Chico's been out here a couple times lately and hooked into a couple decent smallies, so hoping maybe I'll be able to hook into a couple myself. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. Well, that's not what I'm here for, but at least it gets the skunk off. There we go. Alright, pretty sure that was a smallie. A dink, but a smallie nonetheless. Oh. It's a decent smallie for where I'm at here. Well, that was a lot of work for the one smallie, but it was a decent smallie, best one I've caught out of that specific creek. So, you know, that's a nice it's a nice consolation prize for the day. I threw about everything in the bag at him. Threw some topwater stuff, buzz bait, a pencil bait, threw some little spinner bait type things. A couple other topwater baits, just through a tube. Finally was able to get a couple bites on the jerk bait. That's what I caught the one smallie on. I hooked into it 3 different times, but got off the hook at my feet the first time, spit the lure back at me the second time, but then the third time I was finally able to get it to hand, and like I said, that was my personal best smallie in that particular creek, so I'll take that for a couple hours work out there. So as always, thanks for watching. Gonna do my best to keep bringing you some fishing videos this summer, so keep tuning in and see what I'm able to get into.